Hi, welcome to online tutorial videos from JCBRO Labs. For more information, you can visit us at www.jcbrolabs.org. This is a project video, and in this video we will demonstrate a project, TLBO Optimized Fuzzy-PID controller for load frequency control of two area. Okay. Further, we also provide online training, help in technical assignments. We also do freelance project based on data science, Python, machine learning, embedded system, control system, etc. And we also help Ph.D. students and M.Tech students in their thesis work. So if you have any such requirement, then you can contact us through our website, which is www.jcbrolabs.org, or you can also mail us at info@jcbrolabs.org. Okay. So let's open Matlab and let's show the model. Okay, so here is the TLBO code. We have utilized the code which is available on Matlab Central. Okay, so that code is available here, and then we have created a separate file which call this TLBO function to optimize the parameter of the two area load frequency control. Similarly, we also have created this objective function. Okay, so in objective function, this objective function keeps called by the main TLBO programs, and based on that it runs the two area model and then calculates the ITAE, integral time absolute error objective function from there, and then pass it to the TLBO program, so that TLBO can generate a different set of x values for the model. And here is our two area model. Okay, so it is a two area non-radiated turbine model. Here is the power system transfer function, and these are the two area interconnected model. And here we have this ITAE block, which is computing the integral time absolute error. Okay, so this is the area 1 and this is for area 2. So let's run, you just have to run this particular file and the optimization will start, and when optimization will complete, you will get the final optimized result at the model. Okay, so let's run it. Okay, so in order to visualize the optimization, we have run the model, we have run the file, optimization file, and it is compiling the model now. And then if we look at the output, so it starts computing the different values so that we can get the best value of it. So ultimately what is happening, for each value of x, it computes the ITAE function, and then ITAE function ultimately runs the model again and again, and based on those values, this ITAE function is computed, and then final ITAE is get minimized over the time. Okay, so it is the second iteration, and so on. So right now it is unstable, but after some time the system will become stable, and it will be we will be getting the optimization results. So let's wait for some time. Actually it's take time based on your system configuration. The simulation could be slow or simulation could be fast, so it is generating the values and running the model again and again. Okay, so finally we'll get a best result. So right now it is kind of oscillatory in nature. Sustained oscillations are there, so oscillations are not going to the infinite. Soon they will be optimized. Okay, okay. Generally sometimes optimization may take 1 hour to 2 hours to 1 day to 2 days, depending on your model and your system specifications. Okay, so I think this will take a lot of time, so let's fast forward the result and skip this optimization part, and we will show you the final results. Okay, okay, let's first hit complete and then we will show you the final results. Okay, done. So this is our final output. We had already run it for the entire duration, and we have obtained the optimized value of these of all the parameters of K, K and KD, fuzzy controller parameters. Alright, and if you look at the output, so this is for the area 1 delta F, and it is reaching up to 0, and right, and for area 2 here it is, okay, that is also stabilizing to the 0. Okay, so these values have been obtained after doing this optimized TLBO based optimization procedure, and you can okay, so that indicates the algorithm is working fine correctly. So if you want the coding files of this, then you can send us a mail at info@jcbrolabs.org. So if you have any suggestion or any doubt, then you can let us know by commenting below this video. Okay, further we also provide online training, help in technical assignments. We also do freelance projects based on data science, Python, machine learning, etc. We also provide technical help in Ph.D. thesis or M.Tech thesis work as well. So if you have any such requirement, then you can contact us through our website, which is www.jcbrolabs.org, or you can also mail us at info@jcbrolabs.org. So that's it for this video. Thank you.